my God. It's probably a bad idea, but I need it. Fuck leg day. Oh, God. My fucking inner thighs are literally dead. My inner thigh is on fucking fire. I just made it harder. I don't know why. Sounds stupid, but like when my calves flex, it's up. I think I can walk. My calves are shot. All right, let's see if I can walk a little bit better. Oh, my fucking crotch is shot so bad. Oh yeah, it still hurts straight in my fucking legs. God damn it. Fuck it. We just gonna rock out. All right, y'all. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is titty day. I don't know what we're doing. The gym is dumb packed. I don't know why I'm at the gym at 7 p.m. This is not usually normal for me, but I gotta get it in today, even though I can literally not walk. Still gotta get it in. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't die here, but my legs are I'm pretty sure I told you my legs were a 5 or 6 or 7 out of 10. My legs are a 10 out of 10 right now. Every step, my inner thigh and my calves, which is what I focused on, are fucking shot. So at least I know I did something right. Today is just my chest in general. I want to target a little bit of under boob and side mostly, but upper chest might get some work too, but depends on what's open because the gym is packed today. So wish me luck on that. And without further ado, let's get into it. Stay positive, stay motivated. Definitely don't want to be here right now. Even walking to the fucking gym was horrible, so wish me luck. Cool, we finna get up, gang. Bruh, y'all finna see me struggling to sit all day today. But who cares? Bro, just sitting down is fucking pain. This is 45 and a 25, and it's not even even, so I'm taking the 25 off. Hope that's even. But yeah, I just got here. It's dumb packed. This is the first machine that's open, so let's get straight into it. Hopefully my mic is on. This is kind of weird. This should be positioned under my boob. That's kind of right, never mind. But so far, probably should never come to the gym at this time because there's not a lot of options. But we gonna make it work. Hopefully my chest feels as bad as my legs in a couple days after today. That's the goal, because my legs are definitely at a 12 out of 10. I know I have to keep moving to at least get my mobility back. So let's get straight into it, man. Play my musica and get it on. Damn. Why the fuck is Billie Eilish the first thing that came on? You know what? I might vibe with it. In case y'all want to know what song I'm listening to, it's When the Party's Over by Billie Eilish. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, come rock with me. I like the fact that my fucking legs are dangling, so it's like no help at all. Oh, that's not bad. Slow and steady wins the race. We do burnouts over here. My shoulder's getting shot right now before my chest even does. Ooh, fuck. If y'all new here, one thing you should know is my shoulders are shot. I go to therapy for it every week. Work in progress. Still not even at, I wouldn't even say 100%. We're not even close to 50% of my shoulder health. So I still try to be careful. I still try to stretch. I did a dead hang before I even started, after I did my little bike warm up. But yeah, that's a little update in case you're new here. Appreciate you for tuning in, by the way. I had a friend ask me this today. How can you put a camera in front of you while you work out? I understand when I had my friend record me, I felt a little bit more comfortable. I'm like, you just gotta not give a fuck, I guess. You gotta do it. I feel like my motivation to do it is don't give a fuck, but the people that actually comment on the videos, that enjoy the videos, I feel like that's another part of it. Because I know like, what I'm doing doesn't go unappreciated by the 3 people that like my videos consistently or by me. So I'll be feeling like, imagine me editing my own videos. I literally feel the workout all over again while I'm watching myself. So it's like, damn, I'm really doing that. And that's like my time to critique what the fuck I'm doing right or wrong. Wait, that was my receipt. That was my answer to him. He's like, damn, I can't do that. I'm like, hey, we ain't all the same, brother. Oh yeah, Billy, come on, sing that shit. Let's see, I'm also trying to control the weight. Let's see, I'm also trying to control the weight. and not rush it at all. But oh god, yep, that did something. Based off this chest workout that we're starting off with, I can already say it's gonna be a decent day. Hopefully, we have more machines that are available. Another question, well, he didn't ask me the question. He told me taking gear is tempting. And I was like, bro, if I had your shoulders, I wouldn't even go to the gym anymore. Because he's bigger than me, and his shoulders are way bigger than mine. But he's like, the weights are too heavy, it's too much work. And I'm like, bro, isn't that the whole point of working out? Ain't the whole point of working out to feel that pain and see the results of the pain? He was like, but I don't want to, I'm not going to take nothing like trend. I'm going to take something like, he said, I guess a easier or not so bad trend. It started with an S or something. And he was like, you could take that shit, maybe 2 cycles. And I'm like, but if you take 2 cycles, you're probably going to want to do 3. And if you do 3, you're probably going to do 9. So it's like, fuck it, you just going to throw yourself in a rabbit hole. He's like, eh. He was just bouncing up and down around this shit. I'm like, yeah, I don't, like, the pain is literally probably the #1 reason I'm in here, apart from the therapy. Because the pain is therapy, so fuck it. But I had a little weird conversation with bro today. Let's get back into it. That was enough of a break. Let me switch angles for y'all. All right, literally the same shit, just flipped. And then I might do a leveled shot for my last shot and then get the fuck. God damn it. Yeah, my milk's gonna be milking by the end of this shit. But yeah, so far, so good. Chest is definitely feeling like a 10 out of 10 day. Even though nothing's perfect, my body is literally in shit sickles. Doesn't feel so bad. Let's see if a bigger song will put me in the mood. Wait, side. How does this even sound? Nope. I can jack that. Let's get y'all the last shot before we move. I almost forgot to hit record, but swapping it to JD Youngin. Well, I didn't swap shit. Apple Music swapped it, but last set over here. I believe it's my fourth set, and then we got to switch. So it's probably gonna be a long set, to be honest. I'm gonna try to enjoy it as much as I can. Bro, just making my legs close together is fucking pain. Oh God. Oh yeah. I feel like my fucking chest is gonna kill me that last set. Let's see, don't you saying now? We don't play around. Even where he at? Hey, I'm doing this shit and I told them boys be careful. Hey. Alright, let's find where we going next. My one AirPod just died also, so gotta be a sign to get the fuck up out of here. Oh fuck. Where are we going? That's the question for real. Who the fuck? God damn it. Who the fuck is doing a full stack over here? Fucking psychos. What am I at? 4? That works. Bougie, hold on. Who the fuck got me all the way fucked up? I'm gonna try a huncher. I don't know what Maniac was doing. 300 fucking pounds is crazy. Oh, jeez, my titties are on fire. But lock in, bro. That's definitely activated. I love that squeeze. I might try to pause at the top. Oh my God. Oh God. God. I'm gonna shit myself. Oh God. God damn it. Just take a breather. My biceps are on fire just doing this shit. Definitely need a break after that shit. Oh yeah, titties feel thick. And if y'all notice, I don't do, well, it's not that I don't do it. I just don't like doing barbell workouts, chest press with the bench and the fucking bar. I hate them shits. I feel like I'm gonna die. Like it's no safety net. So I just hate doing that. Fine, whatever the fuck. Hate doing the shits. But I can do like dumbbells. I don't even like doing squats. But I'm crippled as fuck, so I guess it could be understandable. But I like being on these more safety-ish workouts or safer workouts. I don't know what I'm gonna do next stuff, but that doesn't matter. We only got 1 set done here. I'll probably do like at least 2 more. I think, hold on, let me see something. See if I can angle this to target higher or lower. Maybe if hold on, I don't even need that. If I angle it downwards, I can definitely work on then going up here. There's more side and upper side. If I go down, down. So I need to increase this. Oh, fuck, my hamstrings. I don't even need that yet. This will work. Bro, my fucking leg are killing me. All right, fucking back to música. Yeah, it definitely feels like the target's more lower. It's definitely a weird grip. Definitely activates more forearms too. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, fuck. I'm lightheaded and I didn't bring no water. Fuck me. Definitely glad I came to the gym today though. Definitely want to target under move too. Still feel like I haven't found a decline press. I dropped the weight so I can get more squeeze. It's gotten too heavy. I dropped 10 pounds, see if that makes a difference. Oh God. Oh God. It's one of the hard workouts of the year. Slow and steady shit is not for the faint heart. Oh God. This shit fucking hurt. I'm gonna try a different grip. Oh God, it's gonna fucking hurt. Oh God. I don't think I've said, oh God, like this in a while. No agua too. Fuck me. I don't know what I want to do next though. It definitely needs to be under move related. Oh God. Let's see if I can find something else. I don't know. Still don't know where the fuck to go. But I'm definitely gonna do one more before I kick rocks. So, angle switch. Oh God. All right, fuck, let's get this over with. Oh God. Oh God. Yep, I'm done here. Fuck. Oh my God. Slow and steady is not for the weak, but it feels a lot more intense. Give it that much. Give it that much. Feels a lot more intense. But on to the next. And I know it's not dips because I'm for sure gonna tear my shit. But if that's all we got, we'll see. All right, let's move, y'all. I think I'm sweating. I'm gonna... All right, we're gonna see if this should work. Oh, fuck. I haven't used a fucking bench. I was just telling y'all how much I hate this shit too. But they don't have any other decline machine. And we gotta get this under boob right. And they don't have any decline benches, so I can't even just use that. I need to upgrade this shit. I might need my other AirPod for this workout. All right. Ooh, boy, my fucking legs. This is just perfect. Oh God. Oh, fuck. Getting into this shit was hard. Look, my worst nightmare, and I'm doing it. The thing with decline is I don't even feel the fucking pull. Fuck. Is there a fucking drawing sign for this shit? Cause I don't feel it in my titty. But alright. Oh God. I definitely need a better arm machine. I don't feel this at all, bro. Not even a little bit. I don't even feel a stretch in my under boob. I think I might just have to go do some dips and thug it out. Yep. Oh my God, I gotta pick my fat ass up. That's worse than doing this shit. Fucking A. All right, yeah, I'm gonna go do it. This don't feel good at all. Definitely not gonna see me from that angle. Definitely gotta back this shit up. Oh God. Some bitches already, war ready. Oh no. I'm gonna tell y'all a little story time when I realized I fuck with country music. Dolly Parton. Jolene, Jolene. I was playing Red Dead Redemption and I fell in love. But yeah, quick little story time. Fuck. Oh yeah. Fuck my titties. From trying, causing how you can easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Joe. Ooh. Please don't take me just because. And I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Dolly. Hey, I'm finna die. My happiness depends on you. Oh God, what the fuck? I'm shot. Yep, it's time to get the fuck. Well, I'm gonna do one more workout. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. The fuck. All right, let's see if this works. It's probably a good. Damn, my hands are shaking. Just. Oh my God, all the good songs is getting played today. Roof B is crazy. But another thing, update for y'all. My arthritis in my right hand is getting worse. So I can't hold things for too long and my hand starts shaking. Or if I've used my hand enough, I just start shaking throughout the day. So it's horrible, but we're not gonna be all depressed about it and shit right now. How much weight is on here? 40. We can do that. One set of burnouts. Let's see. Oh, this is a incline. Fuck. Oh, God. Yep, we're done for today. And I see you smile, and I wishing on denim lights all of the time. Praying to God that one day it'll be mine. All of the time, all of the. All right, we'll give y'all some poses. No, it's not available. I just met me a client right here. I ain't want to make the brother uncomfortable, but he seen me with my camera, asked if I did photos and shit, took photos. I was like, what's up? I take photos, and then he was like, oh, can you take a quick flick for me right now? And I was like, bet. I ain't even charged, bro. I should have taxed his ass, but it's all hood. I ain't charged, bro, but yeah, did a little quick little shoot right now for the frisky, for the gym guys and shit. But definitely gonna tax him next time. I ain't playing with that. But today, rating, chest, definitely a solid. I'm sad. I don't really know how to target my underboob. So if you know how to target your underboob, let me know in the comments as far as that. But that's the only thing I'm really sad about. I ain't really feel like I hit a lot of today. It's the under titty, and then by the time I'm done with my whole workout, doing dips is pointless as fuck because I can only do like 3 at a time and 5 at a time or some shit like that. But yeah, today was definitely a great day. I didn't feel like coming to the gym since I was limping everywhere. Y'all don't understand how embarrassing it is to do that shit everywhere I go, every step. So definitely a good, I say 7, 8, 9-ish out of 10. Definitely if you want to try that shit out, try it out. But this is how I do my titties and get my titties done. Do a little bit of pressing, a little bit of flies here and there, a little bit of incline, and then some dips. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Press, fly, incline, dips. That's literally it. But without further ado, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Stay positive for real, stay motivated. Life ain't always gonna be cookies and cream, but it gets there. And I'm gonna keep y'all updated on everything that's going on as far as moving and shit like that. School and all that shit, but just living right now. I'm gonna go home, play some COD, hop in the shower, do some homework, get ready for the next day. Rinse and repeat. But I'm gonna catch you on the next one. C'est la vie.